Teaching a dog to swim, from basic to advanced, requires patience, safety measures, and step-by-step guidance suited to each breed. Here's a guide of about summary. 1. Preparation before getting your dog in the water. First, ensure your dog is healthy, not afraid of water, and familiar with the surroundings of the pool, river, or sea. Choose a location with calm, clean water that isn't too deep and has no strong currents. If necessary, have your dog wear a specialized life jacket for added safety too, getting used to the water. Lead your dog to the water's edge and let it play at the shallow part. You can use its favorite toy to encourage it to step in.
I never
Push your dog into the water, as this can cause fear and long-term aversion to swimming. 3. Teaching basic swimming movements once your dog is standing in the water. Gradually guide it to a slightly deeper area, initially just up to its belly. Support its belly lightly with your hand as it starts paddling with its legs. Encourage and praise your dog when it performs well. Make sure it keeps its head above water and doesn't swallow too much water. 4. Gradually increase time and depth. After your dog gets used to it, have it swim short distances from the shore outwards or from you back to shore. Always accompany and closely monitor your dog to provide timely support if needed. Gradually, your dog will gain confidence and swim further. 5. Advanced skills. When your dog can swim comfortably, you can train it to turn, change direction, swim on command, or retrieve floating objects. These exercises build stamina, flexibility, obedience. 6. Safety notes. Avoid letting your dog swim too long in extreme heat or in very cold water. After each session, rinse your dog to remove chlorine, salt, or bacteria, and dry its ears thoroughly to prevent infections. By patiently and gently introducing swimming, your dog will gradually enjoy and master this valuable skill. If you'd like, I can help draft a detailed training schedule for each session. Let me know if you're interested.